What's up guys, Joey here of Yugatech, and the VIVO V15 Pro just launched in the Philippines today, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So taking a look at the box, if you guys remember previous VIVO V series devices, the look hasn't really changed. It's just white with the phone in front, the blue text, it's typical VIVO. So lifting up the lid, we get, of course, a smaller box on top. Inside we have, ooh, you see that? Not your usual free jelly case. It has this black rubberized border around it, so let's set that aside for now. Warranty card, product specifications, interesting. And on this card, we have the SIM ejector tool. Okay, next up, let's reach into the box. We have the phone itself. Let's remove this plastic. There it is. Set it aside for now. Let's get to the rest of the accessories before we move on. So you get earphones in the box. You get a micro USB cable and your charger. So yes, like the V11, this is a dual engine fast charger. Very nice. Okay, now the V15 Pro, let's turn it on. So yeah, while this turns on, let's do some impressions so far. We know this device has a pop-up camera, so I can already see there's no bezels. Almost no bezels. At the back, it's glossy. It's already attracting a lot of fingerprints, so I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe it with my elbow. That's what everyone does. And let's just put this case on. All right. Not bad. So generally, most phones come with just regular old clear silicone cases, but you know, this one's still the same thing. It just has this black rubber border on the sides. Okay, so right, so there we have the V15 Pro. Of course, we have the almost bezel-less design because we have this pop-up camera over here. What's up, right? And it's got this Transformers thing going on. Let's see if you can change the sounds. Oh. I like the second one the best. I mean, if I had this phone, I think I'd turn off the sound, but you know, it's pretty cool. Alright, so that's been our unboxing of the VIVO V15 Pro. By the way, our full review is also up today, so if you want to watch that, click right here. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit Yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, this has been the VIVO V15 Pro, and we'll see you in the next one.